Well, hello, Internet. So, today we would be going with the continuation of making overriding feature for the alert in JavaScript. In the previous tutorial, we looked upon what technologies we would be using. In this screencast, we would be showing you how to set up the projects. It's actually very simple and less time consuming. Without any further ado, let's get started with the programming and hands-on stuff. So as you can see currently on my desktop, we have one folder with the name alert. So go ahead where you want to store this project, make a folder with the name alert, and let me open this folder with my favorite text editor. You are allowed to use any text editor which you are comfortable with. I am mostly comfortable with some line text. It's a very cool and handy text notepad. So you can see that in alert folder we have one folder with the name of JS, which stands for JavaScript. Here all our code will go, and in index.html we have the HTML markup of a general web document, and inside this we would be overriding this alert feature. So if I open this page of index.html into my browser, you will see only a default alert in the browser. Here we go, we have a default alert. So after you have done with this, so we will include jQuery. So if we can include jQuery either by downloading or uh, either by using CDN, which is a content delivery network. It provides free hosting for all the open source JavaScript libraries. It's very fast and scalable, so you can use CDN libraries. I have gone to cdnjs.com. Here you can find all JavaScript library, and I will type jQuery. So you can copy jQuery here, and inside the HTML tag, before the ending of body tag, we will include that jQuery file. Oops, some another link got copied. Let me correct that. This Mac sometimes makes so much things weird. I don't know why, but still. Anyway, we have copied it. So we have our JavaScript jQuery file available with us, and now we are going to use one jQuery plugin with the name Colorbox. Just give it a moment, and here we are going to download this. I didn't have downloaded before, so I have to rely on the internet which I am having right now. It wouldn't take too much time, but yeah, it may take because it has images and everything. Anyway, let's dive deep into Colorbox. So Colorbox is a pop-up tool which allows you to put content in a pop-up. So if I click on, let's suppose we want to see a demo as one. So I thought that my internet is running sluggish because it's very slow. You can see that the downloading speed is slow, but however, if you see that we have different elastic transition, fade transition, so if you click on any one of the link, it will load up the image and you can see that a pop-up is showing up. So this alert we would be replacing with this pop-up, and you can navigate between different photos based on the size, So you can have even inline HTML written. So here you can have buttons, and you can see that on a button click some actions is going on. So these are the different stuff. So we would be going and looking into how to integrate this awesome pop-up plugin in our own project. Okay, at the time being how it is being downloaded, so let me tidy the things up. We don't require this script tag. We have included jQuery, and let me show it to you that how we are going to build this. So if we see this, so if we inspect this element, it will open a developer console. I am soon going to make a tutorial about this, how to use this developer console and how developers leverage this developer console in order to make fast and scalable application as soon as possible with debugging the error and sorts of cool stuff. So as we navigate to the console tab, sorry. So if we refresh this, you will see that whenever you have a web document, a parent object is always associated with it. So the parent object name is window. You can see that window. It is always a parent object. Whatever variables, whatever functions that you define inside this JavaScript, that automatically is included in window object. So let me show it to you that I am speaking truth. So I will define one variable with the name a, and I will define some value. And once I say a, we have one variable with the value 1 2 3 4 which we define upwards. And if we say window dot a, this will result into the same thing, because ultimately it is attaching this variable in window object. Similarly, if we do alert and say hi, it says hi. And if we say window dot alert say hi, it will also represent the same thing. Okay, so always keep in mind that whenever a document is rendered, window is always the parent object. So everything which you define, functions, alerts, it's all available inside the window object. I think so. We have taken more than the time which I expected because of my internet speed. So in the next tutorial, we would be looking into how to integrate Colorbox in our application. Thank you guys so much for your time and attention. Have a nice day. Bye bye.